Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Here we have urutan, authentic Balinese style sausages made from pork meat with Balinese authentic yellow paste. Fried slowly in hot oil and absolutely delicious. We make urutan in many different styles. This one is in deep fried Gianyar style. We usually make this on special occasion like galungan, kuningan, weddings, and also serve in nasi campur babi or babi guling as a side dish. Hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema. So here is Balinese style sausages. So yummy. Happy cooking!